Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta in Russian for Foreigners today. Today we will speak about Russian reflective verbs. We have 4 different ways how to use them. So let's start from the first one. First one, if you are talking about yourself. For example, you are wearing something on yourself, or wash your face, or doing something with yourself without helping. So it means you should use с at the end or ся. How? I want to explain you how. So the end of the word с, it means s with мягкий знак. If you remember, we are using мягкий знак to make the end, the last letter softer. So not s, but с. So, or another one, ся, s, я, ся. So, for instance, if you say, I wash my face, I should say, я умываюсь. So the word умываться, it's infinitive. Умываться. It means, generally speaking, умываться, infinitive. But if you're talking about yourself, you should say я, it means I, умываюсь. Умываюсь. Do you see? At the end will be с, because it's a reflective verb. Next one, if you're talking about your dress. So if you wear something on yourself without helping, so you're doing it, I think so. So every day, and you should use одеваюсь. Одеваюсь. Я одеваюсь. Я одеваюсь. Why я одеваюсь? Because you're talking about yourself and you're doing it by yourself without someone else. So, я одеваюсь. The verb одеваться will be infinitive. So, if you're talking about someone else, like he or she, will be absolutely different end. So, он одевается. Она одевается. But we're talking now about reflective verb. Одеваюсь. Одеваюсь. So, is it correct, understandable? I hope so. So, с. But if you see, we have another end. Ся. How we are using it? I want to tell you. How? For example, if you need something, I need to wear it my t-shirt. Okay, doesn't matter. I can say I want to wear it something because I need to go somewhere outside with you and it's too cold, right? And I should say мне нужно. It means I need. Мне нужно одеться. I need wear something. Мне нужно одеться. Одеться. Ся shows you that you will do it by yourself and nobody can help you with it. So, мне нужно одеться. Мне нужно умыться. So, мне нужно, it means I need it. Мне нужно одеться. Мне нужно умыться. Do you understand? If you are doing something with yourself without any help. С or ся. So, next one. Next one, when you are using it, reflective ся also. When you have a verb and after that object. So, and instrumental case. So, let's check example. I can meet someone. Doesn't matter, you or another person. Just I need to have this meeting. I need that. So I can say I need or I can also. For example, here я могу встретиться. Встретиться, it means I'm going to that meeting by myself. And this ся shows you that it's a reflective verb. Встретиться, it means meet with, I don't know, with you. С тобой. Тобой. С тобой. Я могу встретиться с тобой. Я могу встретиться с тобой. Or you can, this verb могу, you can change. Хочу, it means want. Я хочу встретиться с тобой. Я мечтаю, dream to meet you. So, I dream, I can, whatever. So, встретиться, встретиться. Never change. What I mean? Я могу встретиться. It means я, I am. So, you, ты можешь встретиться. Они, they are, can meet you, могут встретиться. So changeable will be this verb. Могу. Я могу. Ты можешь. Он может. Они могут. But the verb встретиться will not change. So, встретиться can be not changeable. Do you understand? So, verb plus object, with whom, с кем, or with what, с чем. Instrumental verb. Do you understand? Я могу встретиться. Он, he. Она, she. Они, they are. Могут встретиться. Different will be just the verb can. But встретиться never change. Do you understand? But don't forget to put ся. Ся. Next one, third. Always we should use ся or с with the word like. So, to like, it means нравится. So, you can say она, she, мне, me, нравится. So, I like her. I like her. But она, so this girl, она, мне, it means me, нравится, like. So, yes, I know in English we can't put these words like that. We have a different structure in Russian language, but I try to show you do you understand how we are translate all words? Don't write me, it's not correct to say she, me, like. It's not correct, of course it makes sense. But you can say a different way, right? In English you should say I like her. But to say in Russian, it's a different structure, you should use it. Я, so она мне нравится. Она, it means she. Мне, it means мне, as a person, me. But she is for me, мне. And нравится, also reflective verb with the ся at the end. And never changed, so it's like, let's say, infinitive, нравится. So нравится with ся at the end. Она мне нравится. Мне это нравится. I like it. Мне это нравится. So just нравится without changing. Word like. Next one, third. Oh, it's a next fourth. It's like Russian passive voice. We have that also, but it's different structure than in English. For example, if you have a book, like, and you publish it, you should say публиковаться. My book can be published. So публиковаться. Also, passive can be with ся at the end. Публиковаться, it means published, at the end ся, because it's a passive. So, книга публикуется. This book published. Is published. So, I think this one enough, because we don't have any reflective verb, so any way to say, to use reflective verb. So, ся, it's the first time, it's about yourself. Second, verb plus object. In instrumental case, with a question with whom or with what, с кем, с чем. This we can see the example. Always use it with the verb like, if you like something, and the last one, Russian passive. Russian passive. So about Russian passive I can talk more, but I need more time, I think, to explain that. But just in case, you should know that this way to say, to use the reflective verb should be also. So let's see you next time, and I hope it was so useful for you.